Hello everyone, welcome to it. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by today's thumbnail and title of the video, I have another Halloween nail set coming your way. And this time I'm going to be doing some Gel X nails. And this isn't like me trying out any new Gel X nails or anything. These are just regular Apres gel nails that I do all the time. And for this set, I'm using the medium sculpted almond. I have regular, like natural almond too, but I wanted to use a sculpted because that's also what I have and I bought them, so why not use them, right? But we're just going to get straight into the video. And after I sized out all my nails and everything, I'm getting ready to do my application. And for my application, I'm going to edge the inside of all the nails that are my sizes. I'm going to edge them up with the nail tip prep that I have from Apres as well. And for the actual application, the gel that I'm using is their extend gel in the color Jessica. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. You know what I meant. I showed the bottle, but I'm going to be using their new pink extend gel to apply the nails because some of these are going to be French tip, and I wanted to try this because I haven't tried it yet and I had it for months. So I mean, like, why not, right? But because this is a pre-color extend gel, I'm going to apply like a thin layer onto my natural nail first, and then do like a, I don't want to say a glob, but a good amount on the actual nail tip to put on my nail, because that made the color come out better than me just putting it in the tip and it being like super sheer, if that makes sense. And I'm only doing French tip on the nails that I think look the best. So I mean, some of them don't got to be perfect because I'm not doing French tip with them, but for the ones that are, I try to do them a little bit better. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now, just applying all the nails. And look at that, I could do it. This would be a pretty French tip. Oh my gosh, man. Ugh. So after I apply all the nail tips and did that weird noise, I'm so sorry. I'm going in with this cuticle cleanup bit. I don't know what the bit is called. I got it from a temu nail haul with like a set of 4 or 5, and I don't know what the bits are, but someone told me there to get the cleanup around the cuticle, so that's what I'm using it for. Um, it wasn't really that much access, but because it is pink, it was a lot easier to see it, and it was a little easier to make sure I like cleaned it up and everything. But I do have peel off base on, so I didn't want to do too much. But yeah, right now I'm just cleaning up around the cuticle, and then I'm gonna go in with like my nail file and buff, to like make it a little bit rougher and smoother around the cuticle area, and then get into the design. So to start the design, I am actually doing some of the nails all white with this Model 1 white gel polish that I have. You can use any white gel polish. I just needed to be a sticky, like a tacky layer gel polish, not like a non-stick white gel polish. So I'm using this on, I think, well, I'm using it on all the nails. All the nails I'm using the white on, but some of them I'm doing full white, and then 2 of the nails I'm doing like a French tip. I think it's 2 or 3. I can't remember, but whatever, how many nails. I'm doing some of them French tip and some of them just straight all white. I'm cleaning up around the cuticles as I go. And yeah, I'm just doing one layer of this for right now because I don't want to layer on too much polish that I don't really need to do. So right now it's just one layer, and then I'm curing for 60 seconds. So I decided to do my French tip this way. Like I used the regular gel polish brush that came with the bottle um, to like put most of the polish on my nail and outline where I want the French to stop at. And then I'm taking like a liner brush, not like a super thin one or a long one or short one, just like a good medium one, the one I usually use. And I'm just outlining where I want my French to start and stop and clean it up a little bit with a liner. And yeah, that's really all I'm doing right now. I find this is a little bit easier for me, and just clean up as you go with like a regular art brush that you use to clean up with or whatever. Yeah, that's just what I'm doing. Okay, so after the nails are all cured, I'm taking this set of neon pigment powders and I'm taking orange and yellow to make it like a fiery background. I also added in like a little bit of like jelly bread nail pot, like gel polish later on, just some like certain parts that I wanted to be a little bit more red and not like so like polka dotty. But I try to blend out the orange and the yellow to make it like a little fiery, and it doesn't have to be perfect because I mean, if you've seen the thumbnail, which if you click on the video, you've seen the thumbnail. It's going to be peeking through, so you're not really going to see like the I don't know, blending of what I'm doing right now. So it doesn't really have to be that perfect, but that's what I'm doing right now. Just doing a mixture of the yellow and the orange on all the white that I did, all the nails, French forenail, whatever. Doing a mixture on all the nails right now. Okay, so the next step that I'm doing is taking just some base coat that I had lying around, and I'm using this to cover all the nails, whether it's French tip or not. I use it to cover all the nails so that the pigment was protected, because if I start adding other stuff onto it, I would have messed up my whole nail set. So I'm using base coat as like a layer of protection and then curing it for 60 seconds, and then we're going to get into the rest of the fun. Okay, so this is where the magic comes in. Okay, this is some black crackle nail polish, not gel polish, black crackle crack nail polish. However you say it, I just know it's cracking. Okay, it's cracked nail polish. So I'm using the black one because I want the nails to be black, like a little fire like coming out of my nails, if that makes sense. It's illusion. That's what I'm going for, an illusion. So I'm doing the black on everywhere I did pigment at to let it crack so that when it cracks, it can see the fire underneath it. And you'll see that in a clip in a few seconds because I did like not set what I did like go forward a little bit in the video. I didn't like let you guys watch the nails cracking, but take my word for it, it cracked. You'll see it in a few seconds. And like I said, I'm just doing now all of the nails all the parts of the nails I added pigment to, even the French tip part. And yeah, because it is nail polish, I try not to use like such big globs or anything. So be very generous, but also like very thin layers. Okay, so this is the nail starting to crack, and then this clip is the nails all cracked up. This is how much I was okay with, and you see how it looks like it's a fire, it's lava. Okay, that's what we're going for. And right now I'm doing another layer of base coat just so that the nails, I don't want to mess it up and I want the black to stop cracking. So I did a layer of base coat on there, and then before I cured it, I'm taking these like eyeball stickers, and they're like 3D, and I put a little bit of base coat on first and then put the sticker, and I'm using this flash curing lamp with the silicone piece onto it to make the eyeball stick down because it wasn't working without it. So yeah, that's what I did for whatever nose. I used the eyeball. And then right here, I'm taking some jelly red polish and then this powder that I got from the Korean nail supplies store online. And it's supposed to make like the nail polish that pop up effect, like that 3D like art effect. So I'm mixing that in with the gel polish and just doing like some, I guess, teardrops, but they're not teardrops. They're like the melting art. So I'm doing that on the eyeballs and on the cuticle areas. So like I said, I'm using that same mixture that I made, and I'm doing it like a little, I don't know what this is called, like raindrop, teardrop, melting paint. I don't know what it's called, but you see what I'm doing. I'm doing this on the cuticle part, and this is like my favorite nail. Okay, like it added a little bit of like Shazam. It was like a bloody like lava. That's not a thing, but I made it a thing. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so right now I'm just putting on some top coat, and this is just some gel top coat that I think I got from Shein. Don't take my word for it because I always forget, but it's from one of those two places. So I'm just taking this top coat on all the nails, curing them for 60 seconds, and that was really it. There's really nothing too crazy to this nail set, nothing too hard. It was like pretty simple. And like I said, if you want like some fiery looking nails, use that crackle gel, okay? Make your life simpler, and it looks amazing in my eyes. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my top coating and then show you guys after. Okay, so these are what the nails look like. My little fiery lava red eyeball, I don't know, nails. And like I said, I really like them. I hope you like them. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And let me know any other video ideas you guys want to see me do. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.